Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into web hosting on Hostinger. Whether you're building a website for your business, blog, or personal brand, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a site on one of the most affordable and user-friendly platforms available. Let's get started. Search for web hosting services. You will get a list of web hosting services providers. We will be using Hostinger for our site in this demonstration. Click on Hostinger. Before we jump into Hostinger, let's quickly cover what web hosting is. Web hosting is a service that allows your website to be accessible on the internet. In simple terms, it's like renting space on a server where all your website files are stored. Without a host, your site wouldn't be viewable online. So why Hostinger? Hostinger is one of the most popular hosting platforms for beginners due to its affordable pricing, easy-to-use interface, and excellent customer support. Plus, they offer great performance and free SSL certificates to keep your website secure. Hostinger also includes one-click installation for WordPress, which is perfect if you want to get a website up and running quickly. First things first, choose the right hosting plan. Hostinger offers a variety of plans, from shared hosting to VPS hosting. For beginners, I recommend starting with their single web hosting or premium shared hosting, which are great for simple websites. If you need more power, you can always upgrade later. Let's pick one and proceed to the next step. Once you've chosen your plan, Hostinger makes it super easy. Just fill in your email, create a password, and choose your payment method. Now for the fun part, getting your website live. Hostinger offers a one-click WordPress installer, which makes setting up your site super easy. Just head to the website section, select Auto Installer, and choose WordPress. Follow the prompts to install it on your domain, and within minutes, you'll have a live WordPress site ready to customize. After WordPress is installed, it's time to make your website your own. You can browse through thousands of free and premium themes directly from your WordPress dashboard. Choose one that fits your brand, add your logo, and start customizing your pages. Hostinger's fast servers ensure your site loads quickly, even as you add content. To get the most out of your WordPress site, I recommend installing a few essential plugins. Yoast SEO helps optimize your site for search engines, WP Super Cache boosts site speed, and WordFence keeps your website secure. These plugins can all be installed with just a few clicks and will make a big difference in your site's performance. Hostinger is hosting WordPress, which is a pre-built site which can be customized without coding. Features of Hostinger are 1. Guided WordPress installation. 2. Connects with other DNS providers. 3. Manages essential security, etc. Let's discuss in brief, what is WordPress? WordPress is a popular open-source content management system, CMS, used to create websites and blogs. It's known for its flexibility, ease of use, and wide range of themes and plugins. It allows users to build everything from simple blogs to complex e-commerce sites without needing to know how to code. Initially launched in 2003 as a blogging tool, WordPress now powers over 40% of all websites, making it one of the most widely used platforms on the web. Enter your desired domain name and claim it, or pick from our suggestions. If you already own a domain, verify your ownership. Choose the country of your target audience. WordPress installation may take some time. Once WordPress is installed, you will be redirected to WordPress admin. Once you've customized your site and added some essential plugins, it's time for a final check. Preview how your site looks on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything is responsive. Then all that's left is to hit publish, and your website will be live for the world to see. Connecting domain to hosting. Once you have both a domain name and a hosting service, you need to connect them. This typically involves updating the DNS, domain name system settings, to point your domain name to your hosting provider's server. Connecting the dots. choose a domain name. Consider your brand, keywords, and availability. Register your domain. Select a registrar and pay the annual fee. Choose a hosting plan. Factor in your website's size, traffic expectations, and features needed. Connect your domain to your hosting. This process is often automated by your hosting provider. To connect a domain registered with GoDaddy to Hostinger for web hosting, follow these steps. 1. Get Hostinger's name servers, usually something like ns1.dns-parking.com, ns2.dns-parking.com. 2. Log into your GoDaddy account. Go to GoDaddy's website and sign in. Once logged in, navigate to My Products. 3. Select your domain. Under My Products, locate the domain you want to connect. Click on DNS to manage the domain's DNS setting. 4. Change the name servers. In the DNS management section, scroll down to the name servers area. Click on Change and select the option to Enter My Own Name Servers. Enter the name servers you got from Hostinger, for example ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2.dns-parking.com. Click Save. 5. Wait for propagation. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, although it often happens much faster. 6. Verify on Hostinger. Go back to Hostinger and confirm the domain connection by checking your hosting settings or using their domain checker tool. Once the domain name servers are updated, your domain will point to Hostinger's servers and your website should be live after propagation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.